Before we get into today's video, I've noticed that a ton of you guys that watch my videos aren't actually subscribed, so if you are enjoying the content here on Copper vs Glass, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Anker Soundcore A2 NC wireless earbuds. Now these are a really awesome pair of wireless headphones. They've got built-in noise cancellation, really good battery life, so we're just going to take a quick look. Now this video is going to be a little bit different to some of my previous videos. I'm just going to be doing an unboxing and first sound test here in this video, and then giving my overall thoughts and opinions at the end. So let's just take a look. So first off then we have the box, and in typical Anker Soundcore fashion, it's got this nice light blue colour with all the information on the back in regards to exactly what you're going to be getting. So just to read off some of the features here, you're going to get active noise cancellation, thumping sound apparently with 11mm drivers, 6 microphones for clearer calls, a 7-hour playtime with an additional 35 in the actual case itself, IPX5 water resistance, so again, if you're going to be using them out and about in the rain for example, or getting your sweat on when you're going to the gym, you're not really going to have too much problems. You can charge for 10 minutes to get 1.5 hours worth of listening, so that's really good if you do forget to charge them for a commute for example. Again, you're not going to have any problems there. And you've also got the Soundcore app where you can go in and customize all of your EQs, and I'm guessing with this one you can also go in and change some of these settings with regards to the noise cancellation. So getting to the unboxing, usually with Soundcore stuff you do get a ton of accessories that sometimes you don't really get with a normal pair of headphones. So of course the first thing we're going to have is going to be the user manuals, a little bit of warranty information and how to pair them as well. You're then going to have the actual earbuds themselves. Now again, we're going to take a closer look at these in just a second and also do a comparison sound test and just in general see how good these actually are. Now next up then, which I really do like with Anker's products with their Soundcore headphones, you have a ton of different accessories. You've got multiple different ear tips here. You're going to have extra small, small, large, XL, so I'm guessing the medium are already going to be on the headphones, and then you're going to have a USB-A to USB-C cable. So again, the USB-C is really handy at the moment. For me, USB-C charges my iPad Pro, my Pixel 5, and pretty much any wireless earbuds that I use, so that actually comes in really handy. And then you've also got different sized ear wings as well, again going from medium, small, and large. So again, you can get that perfect fit for your needs. So going on to the earbuds themselves, now I can already tell, yes, the case is quite small, a little bit like a pebble, but this isn't going to pass the change pocket test that I use on every pair of earbuds. It's going to be a little bit too big for that, which is a little bit of a disappointment. You've got the USB-C around the back. Now, a lot of Anker products, for some reason, do have a door that actually houses the USB-C connection. Now, yes, I kind of see where they're coming from because it gives it that extra bit of protection, but it's a little bit awkward in regards to charging and getting a right charger that fits as well. You've also, from the looks, got a reset and pairing button on the bottom there, and then you've actually got the earbuds themselves, and again, like pretty much every Anker product, you do have a glossy interior and a matte case, so again, a little bit of contrast in regards to the actual case itself, which like I mentioned is going to give the earbuds an extra 35 hours worth of battery, and you're going to get 7 hours in the earbuds themselves, so again, pretty good battery life. Now the headphones themselves actually do look really unique. The front of it looks like a classic car that I can't remember the name of, so if you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. Now the actual kind of headphones do look really nice. You've got a nice matte black gunmetal combination. You do have a shiny metal part here, which I'm guessing is all the information there in regards to the noise cancellation, microphone pickup. Now you do have 6 microphones in total, so you can have 3 on each. So in regards to call quality, I'm pretty sure it's going to sound really good. And then in there you do have the 11mm drivers in the Soundcore Signature Gold. So let's just see exactly how they fit. Now again, these are going to be sort of a put in and twist. And they actually fit really nice. Now, yes, the noise cancellation has turned on, so if I do start to shout a little bit, I do apologize. But overall, in regards to the fit and finish, they actually fit pretty good. For me, the wingtip was a little bit too flexible, and I didn't think that it was going to actually hold in very well, but it does a pretty good job overall. Now, for me, I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to go up to the large size in regards to the actual ear kind of silicone tip itself, and maybe increase the wingtip a little bit as well. But overall, they do fit pretty good. They don't stick out too much. I'm not a massive fan of when kind of headphones do stick out and they kind of get in the way and things. These are pretty low profile, and they actually look and feel pretty good, to be fair. But how do they sound? Well, I've paired them up with my Pixel 5 and I'm just going to go ahead and listen to some music and then give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions once I'm done. I'm also going to use my Pixel 5 in terms of watching things on, for instance, Disney+, Netflix and YouTube to see how good or bad the Bluetooth latency is going to be. Now it is Bluetooth 5.0, so that's definitely something to keep in mind, so hopefully latency in regards to watching videos and playing games is going to be very minimal. So actually guys, the overall sound quality is actually pretty good. Now they are extremely bassy, which I'm not necessarily a huge fan of. Now if you do listen to a lot of bass heavy music, then these are going to be perfect for that with those 11mm drivers and really heavy bass. But for me, I do like to tone it down a little bit. I have also installed the Anchor Soundcore application. And again, like I mentioned, you can go in here, change everything from the equalizer preset. So you've got a ton of different ones to choose from. You've got Soundcore Signature, which again does really boost that bass. So for me, I'd rather have it on something like flat, or even down the bottom here, you do have the rock option. So that's kind of more my territory in regards to the bass levels. But overall, the highs and mids sound really good. Vocals came across very clear. And when I was watching some videos and things, there was very minimal, if any, latency. Now, yes, there is still some latency when playing games for whatever reason. On Android and specifically my Pixel 5, the Bluetooth latency when gaming isn't necessarily the best, so again, that's definitely something to keep in mind. But again, with the Soundcore app, you do have a ton of different options. You can also go through and change the noise cancellation options as well. So you can change different modes. You've got transport, indoor, outdoor. You do have the transparency mode, which basically just lets through sound, passes it into the microphone and through to the earbuds themselves. So again, if you're out and about and you do need to hear what someone is saying or hear traffic, for example, then transparency mode is a great option. Again, you've got fully transparent, or it can apparently pick out vocals. Now, I did try this, and the only way that I could try that at the moment with lockdown and things was just watching a video here on my iMac, and it actually done a pretty good job. I had my washing machine on the background and I was watching a video on YouTube and it was still able to pick up the voices extremely well using transparency mode. So again, that's definitely something to keep in mind if you are worried about the noise cancellation features and not being able to hear your surroundings. Transparency mode has definitely got you covered. And then you do have the normal mode, and that basically just turns off transparency and also the noise cancellation. But they do have a really good seal as well, so even if you want to save a little bit of battery life by turning off all of the features, it's still not going to really interfere in regards to that outside sound. And that's going to do it guys for this video on the Soundcore Life A2 NC. Now for me, they actually did sound pretty good, although I did have to use the Soundcore application to get exactly the sound that I was looking for. And for around £70 to £80 here in the UK, I think they're a very viable option when you compare them to something like the LG Tone Free 7 that I've done recently, or the Apple AirPods Pro. These are a really good option at kind of a minimal price tag. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comments below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. If you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.